Alright, this is a video number 1. Here we go. We're ready to go to the airport. It's very windy today, so Dutch said there might be delays on flights. Hopefully, everything gonna be alright. Hopefully, Bristol airport gonna rule. So, we're going. Alright, we decided to do a stop in one of the restaurants. It's a Tortilla Bay. The checkout was really good in Bristol Airport because we used the fast track. Fast track always is good in Bristol Airport. Yeah, we decided to give kids some gadgets just to keep them nice and quiet. Yes, kids? Kids? Yeah. Kids, say hello. The flight was alright. The flight was not so bad, to be honest with you. 2 hours-ish. Good takeoff, nice landing. Everything was perfect. Nice food. Yeah. Ryanair, simple company, but always good. Always good. I need to say, it's a very big airport, really. Very big airport. I mean, we're already walking for about 20 minutes and still we can't see where the exit is. But we still need to try find out the... Oh, here's car rental. So there are some signs for the car rental. That's probably where we're gonna go to pick up our car. What's the name of the rental company we're using? This one. Record Go. Record Go. Hey, we find it. We're gonna take a car now.
Yeah. As well? Yeah, same. Here you have, but we have another office, a drop-off office, and you can leave the key there. It's right behind. Yeah.
What's the number?
167.
167.
No, wait.
It's okay. Just be careful. There are people.
167.
It's so cool. There are so big choice of cars, different budget, different makes and models, and different types. Absolutely stunning. Just look at this. It's all for rent. They all for rent. And you like jeeps, you can get jeeps. You like little small cars, you can get small cars or family cars. Yeah, we got a dent in there and dent in there. Jeep. Yes, 167 guys.
Okay, can you press?
Okay, Zima, wait and open.
Press?
Yeah, you did it.
Okay, let's do
Okay.
it.
I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm really impressed. I'm happy. Nice car. Really good car, guys. Nice and lovely, smooth. Toyota! I like it.
For some reason they gave us like hybrid car.
That's cool. Yeah. Save the world. The range of the cars is absolutely awesome. If you have a bunch of money, you can buy, I don't know, there was a Porsche Alfa Romeo 2022, you know, things like that. All like this, baby. Mitsubishi. And if you have a family budget like we have, so just not £1,000, but only 999, you can get this beauty, but it's also good. That was absolutely awesome experience. And first of all, it's on a left-hand side drive that I'm not used to. I used to drive in England on the right hand side. I guess it's right, yeah. Maybe because it's a night. I mean, now it's already 11 o'clock. Maybe that's why there's not a lot of cars, but roads are really good. Wide asphalt is awesome. I've never been in Spain before, to be honest with you, never ever in my life. So this is my first impression, and it's just beautiful. Everything is beautiful. Everything is so cool. And come on, yeah. Did you have a nice nap? Was a good nap? Dima, wake up. Oh, wakey. Here's our, look, Dima, here. Come on, careful. Where's the second bag? Can you take both of them? Wow, look at that. Dima, look, you're gonna be, Dima, just don't touch, Dima. You can only have a look on the sheep, yeah? Look. Даша, осторожно. Okay, let's have a look what we got. I'm so excited. So excited. Oh, it's nice. A nice Spanish apartments. Oh, okay. It's cool, guys.
We made it.
Guys?
We did it.
Oh, sorry.
We did it.
One bedroom. Guys, everyone, guys, give yourself an applause because you did it. Well done, guys.
Daddy did it because you were driving. Well done.
Daddy did it.
Well done.
Okay, I'll do a proper room tour tomorrow, guys. I love room tours, but so far it's beautiful, absolutely brilliant.
Oh, wait.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's it. We're home. Okay, guys, we are off for today. We're tired. We want to go to the bed. Good morning, everyone. We have our first night and it was so nice and quiet. The place is really quiet. Dasha even said that I'll better film like this so you can see the beauty behind me. Dasha even said that in some terms and conditions there was agreement like no party, no noisy kind of evenings and things like that. So that's why we try to be quiet, because it's a really nice and quiet place. And as you see, it's very beautiful. So we wake up, we have no food, we have no drink, we have no coffee, we have nothing. And now we're gonna go to the shop to buy some stuff.
Look at the... Oh, we have a really close by.
Guys, look at this beautiful view.
Wow. Look at the mountains, guys.
I'm not stressing.
You're like going in the middle of the road.
I'm not stressing now. We didn't have any food, so we decide to do a next plan. We're gonna have a quick snack, just very quick snack, like some yogurts and a couple of croissants with the water. Then Dasha gonna buy some food while we're eating there, and then we're gonna go home and do a proper breakfast, or gonna go somewhere to eat a breakfast. All right, that should be enough for a little bit for us. Beautiful shop, beautiful people, absolutely.
Dad, we don't need this stuff.
Okay, can you keep it with... Okay, give it to me. I'll put inside, yeah? All right, we got some food. Oh my God, I don't know where to put it, but... Yeah, it's gonna go there. Yeah, really nice shop. People walk so fast, but another thing is everyone looks so relaxed. I can't imagine why. They have a beautiful nature, they have a beautiful weather, they have a lovely ocean around, so yeah, it's cool, it's cool. Bloody hell. Dasha just said that there was a car and it was reversing, and when it was reversing it's hit our car, and because this car is rented, yeah, we have all comprehensive insurance and everything, but I'm like a mad come out, start looking for the scratch or something, and all what I hear from my kids and from my wife, April Fool. Yeah, today's the 1st of April. Okay, it was funny, okay? It was funny, okay guys?
Look at your face!
Well done.
No, Dad, you were like so serious. You were like, oh my god.
Oh my goodness. It's not
Look
fun.
at your face! You're like, Jesus, the pictures.
Whatever, let's go home. Hello guys, so this is a room tour of Palma de Mallorca, 4 little apartments we're renting for 10 days, and it's the beginning of the April. Today is the 1st of April 2023. Let's see from the outside, because the lobby is also beautiful, but I will do it the last one. I'm gonna speak quite quietly, because one of the terms and conditions of those apartments was that no parties, no loud, no noises. I don't know what the family policy, but they did allow us to be with the 2 kids. So when you arrive into these apartments, you just get the code from your key. You just put the code in there, and you get your key for your door. So when you, as I said, yeah, the lobby and the house, it's very beautiful. I will do it last one. You coming in and you see this beautiful kind of lounge dinette area. It has a fridge, nice size fridge. It's a bit noisy, I already noticed, because the old-fashioned compressor type fridges, they are a bit noisy. Then you have a kitchen in there, and you get microwave, you get 2 hob, I guess, coffee machine, there is a kettle, there is a toaster, so everything what you need gonna be in there. Of course, you're gonna get the whole set of the glasses, cups and saucers and everything, and it's also gonna be plates and all the other stuff. Table for 4 people, which is enough, and 2 nice sofas that also can be converted as 2 single beds. TV set and the Wi-Fi. Everyone complained about the Wi-Fi being a bit too slow. No, it's really nice. I did measurements yesterday. Speed test, it was about 60-70 megabits per download and 90 per upload, which is quite good. The table, small coffee table, and of course a very nice balcony. Balcony is everywhere. I will show you the footages from the balcony later on. But now we're gonna move to the another room, which is in there. Is another bedroom. As I see, this is kind of a single bedroom. But how we split it, Dasha sleeps with the kids in a big bedroom, I'm gonna show you in a second. And I moved in this bedroom. Why? Because there is a table and I can do my own stuff with my videos and all the other stuff, so in this nice table. So size of this bedroom is really nice. Yeah, there are some snacks left after my daughter who was hiding there yesterday. You have a lights, you have a beautiful arts, you have a nice bed, really nice, comfortable to sleep. I slept only 1 night in there, but maybe because I was so tired. Anyway, you have a nice table where I can keep all my stuff, all my chargers and wires. So this was straight away allocated as my personal cabinet, as my office, and I can walk in there. Another good thing is you have another balcony in there. So yeah, there's another balcony. At this moment we're using this as just for the laundry, you know, for some kind of towels we're using as a balcony. But have a look at this view. It's so amazing. So everything what you need if you have a person who want to do some kind of job or work, or at least have a little bit of privacy, this type of room is more than perfect. The next thing we're gonna go is bathroom. Bathroom is nice size, shower cabin, as you see, simple like that. Toilet. The only one thing I noticed, there is kind of lack of shelves in there, so there's not a lot of shelving in there, but it's fine. Towel rail. You have another thing, kind of little cupboard in there. That's what we're keeping for everything what we need to do. And there is a window, kind of passive ventilation. There is no active ventilation. When you're going in this room next to the shower, you get a boiler and some kind of stuff to keep your flat apartments nice and tidy. And oops, loud. Another storage in there. Oh, big bin. Here it is. We find it out. I found a bin. I found a bin, guys. It's in there. Big bin. All right, the last room in this apartment I want to show you is a bedroom. It's the biggest bedroom in these apartments. Yeah, there is a double size bedroom, which is kind of king size because it's made from two single. Again, art is really cool. I love it. I mean, I love the colors. It's so Spanish. I don't know. You have a big wardrobe in there. There are a lot of extra duvets and pillows and everything what you need. Nice and big wardrobe with a lot of extra drawers from one side. And another side, you have a safe, iron board, and we keep just our bags in there, so things that you're not gonna use. It has a nice night lights that can be used for the reading, a lot of shelves, and again the style, if you see the style is everywhere. And yeah, there is no balcony in that one, but again you get a nice beautiful view with a sliding open window. I'm gonna speak quiet again. As I said, I don't know why, but it's so nice and quiet in there. Every time when I open the window, I want to speak quiet. When I go outside, I want to speak quiet, which is not all the time possible because of, again, kids. Yes. Okay, and as I said, there is a balcony. Sorry, there's still my coffee left. This is the best part. I mean, that's what I love about the South countries, you know, the hot countries. They have these nice balconies with the tables and chairs where you can have a breakfast or you can have a coffee, and of course you just enjoy the view. In mostly all of them you have an absolutely stunning view, and this view is it's just worth of all the money that you're paying for these apartments. Again, I don't know, is expensive for this type of apartments or not, but yeah, maybe you can find a bit more budget, but it's just awesome. It's cool. So this is the area where the flats are, and I guess everyone can sit in there and enjoy this area. First of all, I want to show you is of course pictures. The art, what they put around this lobby is absolutely stunning, guys. Really, it's like a picture gallery where you can just walk around and see each picture. So yes, recording. Where you can walk around and see each picture, and it's nice. Again, it's very nice and quiet in there. So every flat with the pictures, and yeah, it's cool. It's a lot of space in there, so if you want to get again kind of privacy, maybe from your family, from the kids, you always can go in there, sit down in nice chairs and just relax and enjoy. Maybe with some friends you can have some board games there. If you notice, there is no tellies, there is no TV sets, nothing. It's actually meant at a quiet area, and it's just for your own comfort. So I'll show you the stairs that goes in there. So that's where you go in stairs, and also if you noticed, pictures, art, plants everywhere. And then if we go to the ground level, it's also gonna be cool. So that's how looks the ground level. This is this one way to the swimming pool and to your spa area if you want. So here it is, here is our apartments, and that's what you can get in Palma de Mallorca in 1st of April 2023. I think it's stunning, guys. I think it's absolutely awesome. It's just brilliant.